Welcome to Smart Myths. In this video, we will be talking about linear equation with two variables. Hey guys, meet Trevor, who's excited about his upcoming birthday and wants to get his favorite toy. His parents gave him $10 for the toy, but Trevor realized he would need more money to get his favorite toy. Trevor thought about having a front yard sale of homemade lemonade to make more money to buy his toy. He wants to sell each cup of the homemade lemonade for $3. We can represent Trevor's story using a two-variable linear equation as 3x plus 10 equals y, where x is the number of cups of homemade lemonade Trevor sells. 3 is the coefficient of x, or the price of each cup of lemonade, such that whatever number of lemonade Trevor sells, when multiplied by 3, gives the amount realized from just lemonade sale. 10 is the money Trevor's parents gave him for the toy. Y is the total amount of money Trevor will have after the lemonade sale, which includes the $10 gift from his parents. Now, let's take a look at some examples from Trevor's story. Suppose Trevor was able to sell 5 cups of lemonade. How much did Trevor have in total after the sale of lemonade? To solve this, we will use the equation of Trevor's story. 3x plus 10 equals y. Recall that x represents the number of cups of lemonade Trevor sold, which is 5 in this example. Now, we will replace x with 5 in the equation, so we have 3 multiplied by 5 plus 10. Watch our video on order of operation if you need more explanation on solving this equation. 3 times 5 plus 10 equals y. 3 times 5 equals 15. We have 15 plus 10 equals y. 15 plus 10 equals 25. 25 equals y, which is the same thing as y equals 25. Trevor now has $25 in total for his toy after the lemonade yard sale. In this example, it is good to note that the value of y, which is the total amount, depends on what the value of x is, which is the number of cups sold. Therefore, y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. In any two-variable linear equation, one variable is dependent while the other is independent, and we can solve for the value of either of the variables that is unknown in any given equation. Now, let us look at another example. How many cups did Trevor sell? If at the end of the lemonade sale, he sells a cup at $5, and has a total of $150. In this example, you will notice that some details have changed from the initial Trevor story, which require us to change some values in the equation. First, the coefficient of x is now 5. Since Trevor decides to sell a cup for $5, we now have the equation as 5x plus 10 equals y. Also, since we are given the total amount y, which is $150, the unknown variable we need to solve for is x, which is the number of cups sold. The $10 his parents gave him for the toy is unchanged in the equation. To solve for x, we will replace y with the value given in the new equation 5x plus 10 equals y. Y is 150, so we have 5x plus 10 equals 150. To get the value of x, in our video on one-variable linear equation, we discussed how to collect like terms such that x will be on one side while the numbers will be on the other side of the equation. We have 5x equals 150 minus 10. 150 minus 10 equals 140. 5x equals 140. Dividing both sides by 5 will give x equals to 140 divided by 5. X equals to 28. So, Trevor was able to sell 28 cups of lemonade. In this next example outside Trevor's story, you may be given question like this to solve. 2x plus 1 equals y minus 2. Find the value of y when x is 3. Replace x with the value given in the question, which is 3. We have 2 times 3 plus 1 equals y minus 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. We have 6 plus 1 equals y minus 2. 6 plus 1 equals 7. We have 7 equals to y minus 2. We now have one variable linear equation. In our video on one variable linear equation, we discussed how to collect like terms such that y will be on one side while the numbers will be on the other side. Please check the link to the video in the description below for a refresher, or if you are yet to watch it. Adding 2 to both sides of the equation, we have 7 plus 2 equals to y. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. 9 equals to y, which is the same thing as y equals to 9. The value of y is 9. It is important to know the standard equation of two-variable linear equation is represented as y equals a hey x plus b, where y and x are the dependent and independent variables respectively. Hey is the coefficient of x variable, and b is a constant. Watch out for our future video on standard form for linear equations, where this will be discussed in details. Here's some practice work for you to do. You can pause the video while you try this on your own. 1. Sarah earns $80 a month selling calculators, and every time she sells a calculator, she earns an additional $3 commission. She sold 12 calculators in October. Show an equation to represent Sarah's earning in October and calculate how much in total she earned in October. 2. Given equation, x plus 4 equals y plus 1. Find the value of y if x equals to 5. For question 1, the equation of Sarah's earning should look like 80 plus 3x equals y, and her earning in October should be $116. For question 2, y equals 8. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Smart Myths. Be the smartest.